Shalom. May the good Lord be with you. Let us meditate on today's subject. Where our heart is, there is our treasure. Many times in our lives, we are attached to different things, or maybe to different scenarios, persons, individuals, and we have particular models of operation. Maybe our family comes first. For some, their friends come first. For some, God is always there, but other things are more important. We say in our life that God is first. But do we understand what it means? If I say God is first, do I really mean it? To understand this, we have to understand the first test, that is, where my heart is, there is my treasure. Let us recollect and remember whether my and your heart is where God intends our heart to be. Or when I am doing something, suppose I am entering into a business transaction, and if that affects me and affects my prayer life, then that issue or that thing has a impact over my spirituality far more greater than maybe God's impact. I may experience many miracles, I may experience God's mighty hand, but for me, my heart, what is more important is the activity that I am engaged. So, therefore, let us pray to God for His grace to come in our life, to connect with Him more, to love Him more. Mighty Lord, help us to get your grace, to love you more, connect with you more, and to be a new being. Harabashika lagalagala rabababashile galagalagala harabashile galagalagala rabababashala galagalagala rabababashiri. Shalom.